Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 Swiffer products that will completely change the way you clean your home. From dusting high shelves to mopping everyday messes, these Swiffer favorites are must-haves for every household. So in Des' video, your helpful product roundups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and description below. Let's get started. Start at number 5. Swiffer Sweep and Mop Deluxe 2-in-1 Floor Mopping and Sweeping Kit, a complete cleaning solution. Keeping your home clean and fresh can often feel like a challenge, especially when dealing with dust, dirt, and sticky messes on different types of floors. The Swiffer Sweep and Mop Deluxe 2-in-1 Floor Mopping and Sweeping Kit makes the job easier by combining the power of both sweeping and mopping in one convenient tool. Designed for multi-surface cleaning, this kit helps you maintain spotless floors with minimal effort. The kit includes 1 sweeper device, 5 heavy-duty dry sweeping cloths, and 6 heavy-duty wet mopping cloths, giving you everything you need right out of the box. The dry cloths are designed to trap and lock dust, dirt, and hair, making them especially effective for pet owners and busy households. On the other hand, the wet mopping cloths are pre-moistened with a powerful cleaning solution that dissolves tough dirt and sticky spills, leaving floors shiny and fresh. What makes this product stand out is its 2-in-1 functionality. Instead of switching between a broom and a mop, the Swiffer Sweeper handles both tasks quickly and efficiently. Its lightweight, easy-to-maneuver design allows you to reach under furniture, around corners, and into tight spaces where traditional cleaning tools often struggle. This cleaning kit is safe for use on a variety of sealed surfaces, including hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate. Whether you need a quick dusting before guests arrive or a deeper clean after dinner, the Swiffer Sweep and Mop Deluxe has you covered. With its convenience, versatility, and powerful cleaning ability, this kit is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their household chores and enjoy cleaner, fresher floors every day. Coming in at number 4. Swiffer Sweep plus Mop Dry Pads Refill 52 count, effortless cleaning for every home. Keeping your floors spotless doesn't have to be a chore when you have the right tools. The Swiffer Sweep plus Mop Dry Pads Refill 52 count is a practical and affordable solution designed to trap dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. Perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or any other space, these refills are compatible with the Swiffer Sweeper, making everyday cleaning quick and efficient. Each dry pad is made with specially designed fibers that lock in dust and debris instead of simply pushing it around. This makes them ideal for homes with pets, children, or anyone who wants a cleaner, fresher environment. Unlike traditional brooms, which can leave behind fine dust, Swiffer dry pads pick up particles you can't always see, leaving your floors noticeably cleaner. This 52-count pack ensures you're well-stocked for weeks of cleaning, saving you trips to the store. The pads are unscented, which is a plus for people sensitive to strong fragrances, while still delivering a fresh, clean finish. They're also safe for use on multiple floor types, including hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate, so you can tackle your entire home with confidence. Another benefit is the convenience. These disposable pads eliminate the need for washing and reusing cloths, making cleanup hassle-free. Simply attach a pad to your Swiffer Sweeper, clean your floors, and toss it away. Perfect for busy households or anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. At a budget-friendly price, and with the added convenience of Amazon Prime's fast shipping, the Swiffer Sweep plus Mop Dry Pads Refill is a must-have for anyone who values both efficiency and cleanliness. Stock up today and enjoy cleaner, dust-free floors every day. Number at 3. Swiffer Dusters Refill, the easy way to capture dust and allergens. Dusting is one of those household chores that never seems to end, but with the Swiffer Dusters Refill 18 count, keeping your home dust-free becomes faster, easier, and more effective. Designed by Swiffer, a trusted name in home cleaning solutions, these disposable dusters are a modern alternative to traditional feather dusters and microfiber cloths. What makes these dusters unique is their thousands of specially coated fibers that trap and lock dust, dirt, and allergens instead of just moving them around. This makes them especially effective for households with pets, children, or allergy sufferers. In fact, Swiffer dusters are known to remove dust and up to 70% of common allergens from surfaces, including pet dander and dust mite matter. The 18-count refill pack ensures you always have fresh dusters on hand. These refills are designed to be used with the Swiffer duster's handle, sold separately, and are perfect for tackling a wide range of surfaces, from furniture and electronics to blinds, ceiling fans, and even walls. Their flexible design allows you to reach into tight spaces and tricky corners where ordinary dust cloths can't reach. Another benefit is convenience. Since these dusters are disposable, you don't have to worry about washing or reusing them. Simply attach one to the handle, dust your home, and toss it away when it's full. This makes them a hygienic and time-saving option for busy households. Unscented and safe for use throughout the home, the Swiffer Duster's Refill 18-count is an essential cleaning supply that combines effectiveness with simplicity. Whether you're doing a quick touch-up before guests arrive or a deeper cleaning session, these dusters help keep your home fresher, cleaner, and healthier with minimal effort. Number 2 goes to the Swiffer Duster Heavy-Duty 3 Feet Extendable Handle Starter Kit, a smarter way to dust. Dusting high and hard-to-reach places is often a hassle, but the Swiffer Duster Heavy-Duty Starter Kit with a 3 feet extendable handle makes the job effortless. Designed to trap and lock dust, dirt, and allergens, this kit is perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner home without the frustration of traditional dusting methods. The kit includes 1 extendable handle and 3 heavy-duty duster refills, giving you everything you need to get started. The extendable handle stretches up to 3 feet, making it easy to clean ceiling fans, tall shelves, blinds, light fixtures, and other areas that are usually out of reach. It collapses back down for compact storage, so it's convenient to keep around the house. Each heavy-duty duster is made with thousands of specially coated fibers that grab onto dust instead of just moving it around. This unique design makes Swiffer dusters highly effective at trapping dirt, dust, and even allergens such as pet dander and dust mite matter, ideal for households with pets or allergy sufferers. The flexibility of the duster also allows it to bend and conform to surfaces, meaning you can clean in tight corners, around delicate items, and in tricky spaces with ease. The refills are disposable, so once you're done dusting, you can simply toss them away, saving you the hassle of washing and reusing. Unscented and safe for use on a variety of surfaces, the Swiffer Duster Heavy-Duty Starter Kit is a practical cleaning solution that combines reach, power, and convenience. With this kit, you can keep your home dust-free and fresh with less effort now, making it an essential tool for every household. And finally, at number 1, powerful cleaning. Swiffer WetJet provides the cleaning power of a mop with the convenience of a wipe, allowing you to easily clean your floors in minutes without the hassle of a traditional mop and bucket set. Easy assembly. Assembly is a breeze. After connecting the handle, simply insert the batteries, load the cleaning solution, pop on a fresh pad, and you're ready to clean. Safe for use across all hard-sealed surfaces. WetJet is safe for use across all hard-sealed and finished surfaces. Do not use on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles, or carpeted floors because they may be water-sensitive. Effective cleaning solution. WetJet's powerful cleaning solution fights dirt and grime, while the thick pad absorbs it deep inside, ensuring it doesn't get pushed around. Fresh and clean. With WetJet, you start with a fresh, clean pad every time. Choose from a variety of specially scented formulas that leave your floors clean while awakening your scents. So there you have it, our top 5 Swiffer products that make cleaning faster, easier, and even a little more fun. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and description below for more helpful product roundups.